Agartala Reserve Bank ni Loaji Mumbai All India Reserve Bank ni Culture Malaima 2023-24 Panda Klaijaka Robindra Bobono. Reserve Bank Agartala ni Bakhakte sa sala All India Reserve Bank Culture Meet 2023-24 8 June Panda Robindra Shatabashika Bobono Klaijaka. Kathar Sati Musungi Pandano Chengsoirika PRP Singh Regional Director Raji. Reserve Bank General Manager Shadwan Singh Shahat Nakhawi Kobunia Adong Shambo Manjakwaka. Pandani Bishinte Hasini Shinimuni Mani Khane Hokumo Mukumo Rogna Kare Dal Bidal Kognatino Kok Shajaka.
A very warm welcome to all of you in Agartala, known as the land where culture meets nature, a land where the life of people is intertwined with nature, starting from enchanting bamboo houses, magical herbs, mouth-watering Zoom foods, their comforting literature and poems remind us about everlasting, extraordinary journey which the people of Tripura have with nature. I would like to present a few lines of a folk song, very popular here. It is in Khumpui, which is local language, but for your benefit, translated into English. It says, "Come, let's go in the harvesting field. Come, let's go in the paddy fields. Oh dear villagers, take in the hands knife, wear dresses and get ready." This defines the culture of this state where people are so close with nature. The Reserve Bank of India, Agartala, is honored to host the East Zone Cultural Event 2023. For this opportunity, I, along with my entire team in RBI Agartala, express sincere thanks to the Central Office and also to Reserve Bank Regional Office Guwahati for giving us this opportunity. As every one of you know, Reserve Bank of India gives its employees a platform to showcase their talents in the field of performing arts. Today's events will include skit, come and show your talent, and singing. On this occasion, I will like to quote the great Spanish artist Salvador Dali, who once said, "A true artist is not one who is inspired, but one who inspires others." The world today needs inspiration as it is facing various problems. Your art serves as droplets of hope in the vast ocean of various conflicts and other issues. Your art possesses the remarkable ability to bring people together, transcending diverse backgrounds and fostering unity through its universal appeal. Inspire us, propel us, drive us to thrive for more. I once again express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for gracing the event with your valuable presence.
Agartala Nisimi, Pranami Kokthum, Bureau Report, Khumpui.